a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and more. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, you are going to get to see me swatch these beautiful Beetles Gel Polishes. This set I got from Amazon. So I have my swatch sticks already labeled. I have 2C, which represents 2 coats, and I have the name of the company, Beetles, and I have the number that is on the bottle. Okay, so there should be no confusion. So now I'm just going to start painting them 2 at a time. First, I opened up all of the bottles to make everything easier. And this has been the fastest way of swatching for me. I feel like swatching gels is way easier than swatching the dips. So I hold it upside down for a second. Then I put it on this little foam thing here so that it's kind of raised off of the table. And then I pop it under the lamp. So while that is cooking under the lamp, I am on my next 2. So being able to do it like this keeps everything moving, and it's just fast. So I did 2 coats, of course, and I went on top of it with a top coat. And I did not do a base coat on this swatch stick. I just wiped it with some alcohol, and that kind of, made the surface so that the gel can stick to it. I do have 2 videos coming where I used some of these colors, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. But I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. Now it's time for the second coat. Now this is the top coat, and this is a non-white top coat. It's by Beetles as well. So as I continue to get into gel polishes, I have some other gel sets that are on the way, so I will definitely be showing you guys those and doing swatches. Here I'm wiping them off with some alcohol just to make sure that it isn't anything tacky. And I'm going to put them on a ring. If you guys have some gel polish sets that you want me to try out, definitely put them below in the comments. It has taken me a while to jump into the gel polish, but I'm ready, so I'm just ready to do it. So here I am just shaping them up a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit if it was like some straggly ends or something like that. Then I want to pop them on the ring. And that's it, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video to see how I swatch my gel polishes. I do have more to come, so keep an eye out. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.